Welcome to Auto Experience, your trusted destination for the latest car reviews, deep dive specs, and real-world driving impressions. Today, we're bringing you an in-depth look at the 2026 Honda Accord, one of the most anticipated mid-size sedans of the year. With its bold styling updates, refined powertrains, and tech-forward interior, Honda has once again raised the bar in the segment. Whether you're a long-time Accord enthusiast or just exploring new options in the sedan market, this review will give you everything you need to know about the 2026 model. Let's begin with the exterior design. The 2026 Accord showcases a sleek and sophisticated appearance with a more aggressive front fascia. The redesigned grille is wider and lower, giving the sedan a sportier stance. Slimmer LED headlights enhance visibility and style, while the sculpted hood adds a sense of motion even when the car is parked. The side profile maintains its coupe-like silhouette, which has been a signature of recent Accord generations. With sharp character lines and flush door handles, the overall look is clean and aerodynamic. The rear of the car features updated taillights that extend horizontally, paired with a subtle integrated spoiler that completes its athletic profile. Wheel sizes now range from 17 to 19 inches, with new alloy designs that complement each trim level's unique aesthetic. Moving under the hood, the 2026 Honda Accord offers a refined engine lineup designed to balance performance with efficiency. For those who prioritize fuel economy, the hybrid powertrain remains a standout. It features a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors, delivering a combined output of around 204 horsepower. This system provides smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency, expected to average over 48 miles per gallon in combined driving. For drivers who prefer a traditional gas engine, the turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4 continues to offer solid performance, producing 192 horsepower while being paired to a continuously variable transmission. Honda has refined this CVT for smoother operation and reduced engine noise during acceleration. The driving dynamics of the 2026 Accord are just as impressive as its powertrain options. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension for better ride comfort and sharper handling. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Accord delivers a balanced and composed ride. The steering feels precise, and the chassis remains planted even during spirited driving. For those who enjoy a more engaging experience behind the wheel, the hybrid model may surprise you with its responsive torque delivery and quiet operation at low speeds. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Accord is all about premium feel and high-tech functionality. Honda has taken a minimalist approach to the interior layout, with clean lines and soft-touch materials throughout. The dashboard features a new floating touchscreen display that measures 12.3 inches on higher trims. This new interface is quicker to respond and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across all variants. For the first time, Google Built-in is available, giving drivers access to apps like Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store without needing a smartphone. Below the screen, physical controls for climate remain, striking the perfect balance between tech and tactile usability. Comfort and space have always been strong suits of the Accord, and the 2026 model is no different. Front seats are supportive and well bolstered, offering power adjustment and heating in most trims. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making the Accord a strong choice for families or ride-sharing drivers. The trunk space is also among the best in the segment, with a wide opening and flat load floor that makes loading and unloading easy. Honda's sound insulation improvements make the cabin quieter than ever, enhancing the overall sense of refinement. Safety is another area where the Accord shines. The Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance features is now standard on all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. New for 2026 is an updated driver attention monitor and a more responsive lane centering system. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are also available, ensuring that drivers have a full 360-degree sense of their surroundings. Trims for the 2026 Accord include the LX, X, Sport Hybrid, XL Hybrid, and Touring Hybrid. Each trim brings its own blend of features and styling, allowing buyers to choose what best suits their needs and preferences. The Touring Hybrid stands at the top of the range and offers ventilated front seats, a head-up display, wireless phone charging, premium audio system, and built-in navigation. Across the board, material quality has been elevated, with soft leather, real stitching, and subtle ambient lighting available in upper trims. Overall, the 2026 Honda Accord continues its legacy of being one of the best all-around sedans on the market. With its updated design, advanced hybrid system, intuitive tech, and renowned reliability, it remains a top contender in the midsize category. Honda has clearly listened to customer feedback and evolved the Accord into a smarter, more refined, and more enjoyable vehicle to own and drive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want more detailed insights on the latest car models, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Experience and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.